Hi, this is a slingshot that I made a few weeks back and I have been using it since then and it has been performing really good. Now, the video files got deleted accidentally, so I am reassembling all the attachments. Now, this print contains the support plates and the support plates have to be removed. Next, here I have this bat. It's gonna go like this. Here this side is hollow where I will be placing these palm seeds. It's going to be used as ammo. Okay. Next are these two. You see these projections? These will go in these holes like this. Place the belt like this and it's going to be placed like this. See? Now it's strong. So this is how you are going to place the other one. So this is how it is going to look after full assembly. Link to download this design has been provided in the description. You can check it out.